Adele, the powerhouse singer known for her soulful hits, harbors a lesser-known passion for botany. Away from the limelight, she delves into the world of exotic plants, cultivating rare specimens in her private greenhouse. With humor and dedication, she's even turned her garden into a sanctuary for endangered flora. Known for her heartfelt performances, Adele channels the same passion into nurturing her green friends, learning about plant species and growth techniques. Her home garden, filled with vibrant blooms and unique foliage, offers a surprising contrast to her public persona. This hidden love for nature provides a unique glimpse into her multifaceted character, distinct from her renowned music career.